How to choose the right carbide burr shape. Choosing the correct carbide burr shape is one of the most important factors in achieving good results when grinding, shaping, deburring, or removing material. While all carbide burrs perform the same basic function of cutting material with a rotary tool, each shape is designed for specific tasks. Selecting the wrong shape can make the job slower, create a poor finish, or make it difficult to control the tool. Understanding what each shape is designed to do allows you to work faster, more accurately, and with better results. Consider the type of work you are doing. The first step in choosing a carbide burr shape is identifying the type of work you need to perform. Are you removing a large amount of material, smoothing a weld, reaching a tight corner, creating a rounded groove, enlarging a hole, or finishing a surface? Different shapes excel at different applications. A cylinder burr may be perfect for flattening a surface, while a ball burr may be the better choice for creating curves or removing material from inside corners. The material being worked on also influences the best burr choice. Steel, stainless steel, cast iron, aluminum, brass, and other materials can respond differently to cutting tools. A shape that works well for aggressive metal removal may not provide the control needed for precision finishing. Choosing the right combination of burr shape, cut style, and speed will improve both tool performance and the quality of the finished part. Ball carbide burrs for curves and internal areas. Ball-shaped carbide burrs are designed for creating rounded cuts, grooves, and contours. Their spherical cutting head allows them to remove material evenly in multiple directions, making them excellent for shaping curved surfaces and blending transitions. Ball burrs are commonly used for porting, smoothing internal passages, creating radius edges, and removing imperfections in castings. They are especially useful when working inside holes, curved channels, or areas where a flat-sided burr cannot reach effectively. If your project involves creating smooth curves or removing material from concave areas, a ball burr is often the best choice. Flame carbide burrs for blending and precision work. Flame-shaped carbide burrs are one of the most versatile burr styles available. Their pointed tip provides excellent control, while the wider body allows efficient material removal. This combination makes them ideal for blending welds, shaping contours, and working in areas that require both precision and cutting power. Flame burrs are frequently used by welders, fabricators, and automotive professionals because they can smoothly transition between different surfaces. They are also useful for plurting applications where controlled shaping is important. Choose a flame burr when you need a balance between detail work and general-purpose material removal. Tree carbide burrs for corners and hard-to-reach areas. Tree-shaped carbide burrs are designed for reaching areas that are difficult to access with other burr styles. Their tapered shape and pointed end allow them to fit into corners, narrow openings, grooves, and recessed areas. Tree burrs are commonly used for cleaning welds, removing casting imperfections, deburring corners, and shaping internal surfaces. They are especially valuable when working on complex parts with tight angles or restricted access. If you need to remove material from a corner or narrow area, a tree burr is usually the best option. Oval carbide burrs for smooth contouring. Oval carbide burrs feature a rounded, egg-shaped cutting head designed for smooth material removal and contouring. They are excellent for shaping curved surfaces, blending transitions, and creating smooth finishes. Because they do not have sharp edges like some other burr shapes, oval burrs are easier to control and are less likely to leave deep gouges in the workpiece. They are commonly used in mold making, fabrication, and finishing operations where appearance matters. Choose an oval burr when surface smoothness and controlled shaping are more important than aggressive cutting. Cylinder carbide burrs for flat surfaces and edges. Cylinder carbide burrs are among the most popular and widely used shapes. They feature straight sides and are designed primarily for working on flat surfaces, straight edges, and larger areas. Cylinder burrs are excellent for leveling welds, removing excess material, cleaning edges, and preparing surfaces for additional finishing. Models with end-cutting capabilities can also plunge into material and enlarge holes or slots. If you need to remove material from a flat area quickly and maintain control, a cylinder burr is usually the right choice. Cone carbide burrs for chamfering and edge work. Cone-shaped carbide burrs have a pointed tip and gradually widen toward the base. They are designed for chamfering edges, beveling holes, cleaning openings, and creating angled surfaces. The tapered design allows the user to reach recessed areas and perform detailed finishing work. Cone burrs are often used after drilling or machining operations to remove sharp edges and create smoother transitions. Choose a cone burr when you need to create angled cuts, bevels, or controlled edge modifications. Taper carbide burrs for deep areas and porting. Taper carbide burrs are similar to cone burrs, but typically have a longer, more gradual taper. This extended shape provides better access into deep openings and allows smoother transitions when removing material. Taper burrs are especially popular in automotive cylinder head porting, exhaust work, and applications where internal passages need to be carefully shaped. Their long profile provides excellent control and helps prevent sudden material removal. If you need to shape deep channels or internal surfaces, a taper burr is often the best choice. Matching burr shape to common applications. For weld removal and blending, flame, cylinder, and oval burrs are commonly preferred because they provide smooth control and excellent surface finishes. For porting and internal shaping, ball, flame, and taper burrs are frequently used because they can follow curved passages and create smooth transitions. For deburring sharp edges, cone and tree burrs are often the best options because their shapes allow access to corners, holes, and narrow areas. For heavy material removal on flat surfaces, cylinder burrs typically provide the fastest results because they have a large cutting surface. The best beginner carbide burr shapes to own. For someone just starting with carbide burrs, a variety pack containing the most common shapes is usually the best investment. A beginner set should include a cylinder burr, ball burr, flame burr, tree burr, oval burr, cone burr, and taper burr. These shapes cover the majority of grinding, shaping, and deburring applications. A double-cut carbide burr set is usually recommended for beginners because it provides smoother cutting action, better control, and a cleaner finish. As you gain experience, you can add specialized shapes and sizes based on the type of work you perform most often. The best carbide burr shape is ultimately the one that matches the job. Understanding the purpose of each shape allows you to work more efficiently, avoid unnecessary tool changes, and achieve professional quality results in metalworking, fabrication, automotive repair, and machining applications.